this spoiler I picked up on here, and first thing I did was clean this off, and I got a little rubbing alcohol here in a cloth, and I just kind of, at first I cleaned it off a little bit, and then I wiped it down. So what I'm gonna do here is this only fits on one way. You have to kind of figure out the way it goes, and that's not the way, so we flip it over. And this is the one for the performance vehicles. So I'm gonna kind of just put it on there for right now with some tape, measure to the corners here to make sure that we're correct. And then this just has on the inside, it has 3M tape, right? And so what we'll do is then peel it all off and put it on. We're gonna put it on there with maybe some painter's blue tape first, but this is carbon fiber, so it should be looking pretty cool once it's on there. All right, so I didn't have any painter's tape, so I just kind of used packing tape, and it's not gonna cause any trouble when I tried it. So I measured, and then I just put the end of this packing tape, and I may mark it with a Sharpie to see. And so it was just a smidge over 5 inches out from the side here for this particular spoiler. So again, I'm gonna give it a little Sharpie mark there, and we'll know where it's at. Okay, so I took a Sharpie and I marked just on the packing tape right there where my edge is gonna go. And then back over here, again, I didn't have any painter's tape. You see the little Sharpie mark there. And so that's where we're gonna go. Take the 3M tape off and stick it on. All right, guys, I've adhered it now. I took the 3M tape off. I would suggest you probably want 2 people to do this. It's just me doing it, but because the corners are really hard to get down, you can see my mark there. That's where I had used my Sharpie to tell me where to put it. But you want to get it just right. And I feel like I'm just a little bit too high. It feels like almost, but I'm kind of, you can see it kind of giving a little bit. But so I'm trying to keep maybe some pressure on it for a couple of days. But here it is. I don't really see any gaps or feel like there's any gaps underneath coming around. But the corners just seem a little bit off. It feels like maybe I should have tried to get it down a little bit more, but I don't know. It was hard, you know, once you took the tape off and started putting it on, it was ready to stick. So there you have it. This seems pretty good. All right here, this seems all real good. Not an issue, just the corners that I feel like you probably want some help with if you're doing it yourself. So leave it on here for a couple days, and Monday be ready to go. But that looks pretty good, you know, for do it yourself. And if you have any questions, comment below. And if anybody has any better advice on how to do it, I think I did okay. Then go ahead and comment below. And please subscribe as always. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day.